Hi guys, now welcome to KamaTV with me, Iain Myles. Now being good in bed and knowing how to make a girl come fast will give you an amazing confidence and power with girls. Now the female orgasm can be a little bit of a mystery in comparison to males. Now if you don't know the secrets, it's unlikely you will keep that love flame burning. So it's a no-brainer, right? Guys, all girls have the ability to have an orgasm and each girl is different. Now, based on my experience, mapping her orgasm and using the proper technique is essential in making a girl come fast. So, is there one formula or maybe there are just too many? Well guys, it's time to ask the ladies, so stay tuned. Hi guys, now the question that we have for today is, what is it that makes a girl come fast?
Oh,
My big...
good in bed.
The moment.
Surely not.
I lots of oral sex. It depends on the boy. He needs to be really attractive, cute, sweet at the same time. So not fast. He has not to go fast to the point. He has to take time and be slowly.
You probably need to like the person. That's probably a major key. Yeah, just be nice and comforting, kind of. Yeah, I think that's the most important thing that guys don't really realize.
You have to get her pretty excited and like it's very psychological, as in men it's more like stimulation, I guess.
It's more than just the physical, but there has to be some sort of...
Yeah, a girl has to be like in love or at least excited by the guy.
You just need the magic touch. Not many people have it. I'll tell you that I do though.
For the guy actually having knowledge of the area around the vajayjay.
Right.
Basically, like knowing what to do right there.
Knowing what to do?
Because our vibrators know what to do, but the guys do not.
The guys don't.
No.
Like clit, like the clit area. So some guys just think that penetration, like that's it, and actually it's not. Like
the stimulation of the clit.
Exactly. Like the clitoris is like for me the most important part of like sex, like stimulating that area.
So he has to do it at the same time while...
Exactly. Because by the penetration itself, I don't think that anyone can come. Like maybe they come, but it's like so difficult just by penetrating.
That's a lot of work.
You have to be multitasking there. Yeah, definitely.
Multitasking.
Sometimes the girl does it, and then the guy just penetrates. You know what I'm saying? And then the girl assimilates herself. So that's easier because then the guy doesn't have to do it, and obviously guys do it worse than girls do themselves. So yeah, that saves time.
What would be the best position to come fast?
69?
69.
Anything oral.
I feel like that's personal preference. Depends on the person, I think. Like, I don't know, and the situation. I mean, I can't really say it like that. It really depends on the person, I think.
Doggy. In the car, probably, the guy has to sit and you over him, but he has to be behind you. I don't know if I'm explaining this right.
Ah, okay, I understand.
Okay, you're right. So you're sitting
like
on him.
Like a reverse horse.
Yes, yes. So you're sitting on him and he's behind you.
Hanging upside down.
Go with the flow.
Go with the flow. Okay, that's good. That's good.
The girl being on top.
The girl laying like this and the guy on top of her, but instead of like all the way on her, just like letting her like leaving a space so like she can like stimulate herself. Doesn't make sense.
Which would be more important, speed or pressure?
But I wouldn't say it's speed. That's a bit like, you know, a bit the other way.
Oh, so pressure's more important.
Yeah, I think it needs to be a little of both.
A little bit of a mix.
Mix.
A bit of a balance.
Yeah. Pressure probably. No pressure. You need to take your time and take your time, just said.
Sometimes to be fast and sometimes just slow and romantic.
Nah, pressure. I need it hard and fast.
Pressure.
Oh, that's speed as well. I need it hard. Long endurance, pain, go hard. I hope my mum don't see this. Mum, I go to church. Yeah, you just got to go hard or go home, isn't it? Like.
Exactly, yeah. I'm 100% great.
Speak from experience.
Not a speed. I don't like it speedy, like super fast, guys, in that sense, because like it comes to a point where when you're doing it like super fast, like you're not feeling anything anymore. Really? Like in order for you to feel more, they need to do it like more carefully and more like slower. And also, the orgasm lasts longer if they do it slower than if they do it like super fast.
If you had to give a tip, like what would be the #1 tip?
Do not look at porn videos. That's just misleading, because that's just all about an act. It's not real life.
I would say don't do it with anyone and don't pick it. It's like, yeah.
Guys, there you have it. Now the main finding for tonight is to apply that pressure. Hi guys, now I hope you've enjoyed my video, and I'm Iain Myles, and I'll see you next time.